Hi everyone, welcome to my channel organized by Darci, where we take the simple and inexpensive and make it elegant. And welcome to week 9 of the Hug Your Home Challenge hosted by Cass from the Clutter Bug. Now let me share with you what Cass has on the checklist for this week's Hug Your Home Challenge. Let's get started. Each week, Cass has a checklist that we follow for this challenge, and week number 9 is definitely no exception. The checklist for this week is to create a paper system, and there were 5 items listed on the checklist. Number 1 is to create an action file for important paper and to-dos. Number 2 is to set up a short-term paper filing system. Number 3 is to set up a long-term paper filing system. And number 4 was one that I was really excited to do, was to create a household management binder. This is something that I never did before until I got the checklist and realized how important that household management binder is. So I was able to create that binder. And number 5, another takeaway from me, was to shred and purge old papers that I no longer needed. And oh, did I shred and did I purge all the old papers that I no longer needed, all the old bills that I've had for at least 2 or so years that I really didn't need to keep any longer. I was able to purge. So again, thank you, Cass, for taking the time to do this checklist. Thank you also for organizing this Hug Your Home Challenge. I am so excited to be a part of it. And again, I really look forward to doing this next week, week number 10, in this household management system, Hug Your Home. These are the files that I was able to purge, and I'm so glad that I did, because these were just old bills that I had in a filing cabinet here, and all I had to do was take them out and shred them. So I was able to take them out, purge them. As you can see here, I have an overfilled basket here, but these are things that are being shredded, and I am so excited that I got this taken care of. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. I am so appreciative. Thank you also for subscribing to my channel. I hope you enjoyed watching this video as much as I enjoyed putting it together for you. And again, if you like this video, don't forget, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. I'd love to hear from you in the comment section as well. And I really look forward to seeing you next week. Don't forget, 3 more weeks to go in Hug Your Home Challenge. And we are so excited that you're a part of it, and hope you'll watch next week. Come again, and we look forward to seeing you then. And again, goodbye and good luck.